Manufacturing sales isn't just about products, it's about relationships. Salesforce Sales Cloud helps manufacturers manage leads, forecast demand, and streamline B2B sales like never before. Track every opportunity from inquiry to order. With Sales Cloud, sales teams have a 360-degree view of every distributor, retailer, and OEM partner, all in one place. Working with dealers and distributors, Sales Cloud centralizes communications, tracks bulk orders, and helps your representatives manage relationships across regions. Using Einstein AI, manufacturers can predict demand shifts, identify high-performing products, and plan inventory with real-time data. Tired of manual quoting? Sales Cloud integrates with CPQ to auto-generate error-free quotes, even for complex, configurable products. Get insights that drive results. Track KPIs, rep performance, regional sales, and margin trends, anytime, anywhere. Reimagine manufacturing sales with Salesforce Sales Cloud. Want a demo? Let's connect.